Hey guys, what's up? So today I have a Bape accessory haul for you. First off, I picked up the ABC camera strap in blue. It came in blue, green, and pink. Next, I picked up this Ape Head Pen in red. It retailed for 800 Japanese yen. The ink is black, it's a big pen, and it came in a variety of colors. I decided to go with red. I really like the way it feels when I write with it. So next I picked up this pink ABC beach towel. It came in pink, blue, and green. It's a bit thin and smaller than I thought it would be, but I still really like it and I plan to use it a lot in the summer. I also picked up 2 packs of the ABC trunks. They retailed for 4,500 Japanese yen each pack. It released in green, blue, and pink as well. They're 95% cotton and 5% polyurethane. Alright, so next I have the Bape Heliox Chair 1. It comes in 2 sizes, retailing for $342 US. And yeah, it's a really nice chair. It comes with this like really nice camo case. And on the outside it says a bathing ape Heliox. It's made with DAC aluminum, so it's really light, and the seat cover is all camo and it's made out of mesh. So let's unbox this chair and assemble it together for you guys. And so this is made out of DAC aluminum. This chair weighs 2 pounds. And then yeah, inside the case it just shows you like a diagram of how to put it together. This is a perfect chair if you're going hiking or camping, or even going for a camp out, like a sneaker camp out. You want to bring a chair with you. You don't want to carry a big like camping chair, so you just put it in your backpack or something. Take it out, and yeah, it's really easy to assemble. Let's go take it outside and sit on it. So when you sit in the seat, it does feel pretty low to the ground, but it does feel comfortable. I do like it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of my haul video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Peace.